Good morning to all. In the previous class, we have learned about permanent tissue and their types of simple tissue. Permanent tissue is subdivided into two types, that is simple tissue and then complex tissue. Already we have seen about simple tissue. Dermal tissue and then ground tissues are examples of simple tissue. Which one is called as the simple tissue? Dermal tissue and then ground tissues are examples of simple tissue. Okay. Dermal tissue, where it is present? Already you know that it is present outer layer of the plant. Dermal tissue, where it is present? Outer layer of the plant. Now let's see about ground tissue. Ground tissue. The whole body of the plant is made up of ground tissue. Whole body is made up of ground tissue. Okay, what is the uses of ground tissue? The ground tissue, where it is present? Whole bodies of the plant is made up of ground tissue. Okay, what is the uses of this ground tissue? Ground tissue give mechanical support for the plant body. Which one gives mechanical support? Ground tissue only give the mechanical support for the plant body. Okay. Without ground tissue, the plant cannot stand straight, otherwise strength. Okay. Ground tissue prepares the food for the plant. Which one prepare the food? The ground tissue only prepare the food for the plant. And then it acts as a food storage. Which type of tissue prepare the food for the plant? Ground tissue only prepare the food for the plant. Okay. Without ground tissue, plants cannot make their food. See, listen. Ground tissue, where it is present? Whole body of the plant. What is the functions of ground tissue? They give mechanical support for the plant. Okay. And then the ground tissue prepare their own food for the plant. And it acts as a food storage. Which one? Ground tissue acts as a food storage. Without ground tissue, it cannot act as a food storage. Okay. For example, the plants like carrot and then potato. These type of plants stores the food with the help of ground tissue. Without ground tissue, it cannot store food. Carrot, potato, where to store the food? In the root system. These are in the root system. The root system, what type of tissue is present? Ground tissue. What is the help of ground tissue? It is store the food. Without ground tissue, this type of plant cannot store the food. Now you understand? Okay. And then ground tissues are subdivided into three types. Ground tissues are subdivided into three types. That is parenchyma. That is parenchyma, collenchyma and Sclerenchyma. How do you read? Parenchyma, Collenchyma and Sclerenchyma. Ground tissues are subdivided into three types. That is Parenchyma, Collenchyma and Sclerenchyma. Okay. Now we can see about Parenchyma. Now see about Parenchyma. Parenchyma is a type of ground tissue. Parenchyma is a type of ground tissue. Okay. It is made up of cells. Already know that tissue is made up of group of cells. And parenchyma is a type of ground tissue. It is made up of cells. See, cell wall is thin. Cell wall is how it's present. It is thin. In this type of tissue, cells are present in spherical. Spherical means what? Round or oval in shape. Oval means what? Like a egg-like structure. Okay. What is the shape of cell? Maybe spherical or oval. Spherical or oval. See the picture. Large vacuole is present in the cytoplasm. This is vacuole. This empty space is called vacuole. The vacuole where it is present? The cytoplasm. This is called cytoplasm. Vacuole where it is present? Vacuole present in the cytoplasm. See the picture. The center part is called vacuole. The center part is called vacuole. The vacuole where it is present? See, this part is called cytoplasm. This is vacuole. Vacuole where it is present? The cytoplasm. The cytoplasm. The cell wall is thin. Cell wall, how it is present? It is thin. The center space is called vacuole. This vacuole where it is present? The cytoplasm. This part is called cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a liquid substances. Cytoplasm, how it is present? It is like a liquid form. Okay. In the cytoplasm, see, this is cytoplasm. No, in cytoplasm, nucleus is present. This is nucleus. This is nucleus. Nucleus where it is present? In the cytoplasm. It is present in marginal position. It is end of the cell. It is the present end of the cell. Listen student, the liquid form is called cytoplasm. In the cytoplasm, marginal nucleus is present. This is called, the block or dot is called nucleus. The nucleus where it is present? In the marginal position of the cytoplasm. Okay. Between two cells, this is one cell, this is one cell. Between two cells, needed space is there. See, listen, between two cells, it has needed space. See, some spaces is there, no. Between two cells, some spaces are present here. Okay. Parenchyma is present all over the plant body. This is a tissue. What type of tissue? Parenchyma is a type of ground tissue. This tissue where it is present? All over the plant body. Parenchyma tissue where it is present? All over the plant body. Example, root, stem and then leaf. In these parts made up of ground tissue. Okay. What is the main functions of parenchyma tissue? It is used for synthesize and store the food. It is used for prepare and then store the food. Where? In the root system. In the root system. And then Collenchyma is a type of parenchyma. See, Collenchyma is a type of parenchyma tissue. See, parenchyma is a ground tissue. And then Collenchyma is a type of parenchyma tissue. Because see, listen, what is this? How do you read? Collenchyma. How do you read? Collenchyma is a type of parenchyma tissue. Why it is called as a Collenchyma? How do you read? Collenchyma. Because it contains chloroplast. Why it is called as the Collenchyma? Because it contains chloroplast. Chloroplast. What is the meaning of chloroplast? This type of tissue. Which type of tissue? Collenchyma tissue contains the chlorophyll pigment. So it is called as the Collenchyma. So it is called as the Collenchyma. See again, Collenchyma is a type of parenchyma tissue. It contains the chloroplast pigment. So it is called as the Collenchyma. This type of pigment is present here. Chlorophyll pigment. Chlorophyll pigment where it is present? In the leaf. In the leaf. Already know that parenchyma is a type of ground tissue. In this tissue where it is present? Parenchyma present in root, stem and then leaf. And then it contains chlorophyll pigment. Okay, chlorophyll pigment where it is present? In the leaf. So it is green in color. Why leaves are green in color? Because it contains chlorophyll pigment. And then the leaves are used for process of photosynthesis. Which part used for photosynthesis? The leaves only used for process of photosynthesis. Okay, you understand, students? Okay. Next we see about Parenchyma. Next we see about Parenchyma. This also type of parenchyma tissue. Okay. Collenchyma and Parenchyma is a type of parenchyma tissue. Okay. This type of tissue where it is present in aquatic plants. Parenchyma tissue where it is present? Aquatic plants. What is the meaning of aquatic? Plants that live in water. Plants that live in water is called aquatic. Aquatic plants. Collenchyma, Parenchyma is a type of parenchyma. Okay. Parenchyma where it is present? Parenchyma tissue present in aquatic plants. Understand, students? Okay. For example, lotus, lily, these type of plants are float on the water, isn't it? Yes sir, did you see? Okay, which type of plants float on the water? Example, lotus, lily, these type of plants are floats on the water. Because why it floats on the water? Because in this type of plants contain parenchyma tissue. In this type of plants contain parenchyma tissue. So it floats on water. So in this type of plants floats on water. This type of tissue is made up of oval shaped cells. Okay. This type of tissue is made up of oval. Oval means what? Like a egg-like structure. Which one? See, listen. Again, I will listen. Parenchyma is a type of parenchyma tissue. Parenchyma tissue where it is present? It is present in aquatic plant. It is present in aquatic plant. It contains, see, why it is put on the water? It contains parenchyma tissue. So it is floats on the water. Okay. Now let's see about Collenchyma. Now let's see about Collenchyma. See, Collenchyma, this type of tissue is made up of oval shaped cells. This is Collenchyma. Collenchyma tissue is made up of oval shape like a egg-like structure. In this type of tissue, between two cells, there is no gap. There is no space. There is no space. But parenchyma tissue, between two cells, some spaces is there. But collenchyma tissue, between two cells, there is no space. Here, there is no space. See, cell walls are thickened in corner. Cell walls are thickened in corner. In the thickened corner, cellulose are present. See, so dark spots is called thickened corner. In this thickened corner, cellulose is present. This dark, see, listen. In this dark corner, which one is present? Cellulose is present. The presence of cellulose in the corner. See, listen. The presence of cellulose. Cellulose, where it is present? Thickened corner. See, the presence of cellulose in the corner is called as the pectin. This is called as the presence of cellulose. Where it is present? Thickened corner. That is called as that part is called as the pectin. Okay? That part is called as the pectin. Collenchyma is present. Where it is present? Below the epidermis. Below the epidermis. Okay, this is epidermis. The collenchyma tissue, where it is present? Below the epidermis. Collenchyma tissue, where it is present? Below the epidermis. Below the epidermis. Epidermis, where it is present? The outer layer of the plant body is called, the outer layer of the plant body is covered by epidermis. See, listen. The outer layer of the plant body is covered by epidermis. Okay. And then collenchyma tissue, where it is present? Below the epidermis. Below the epidermis. Okay. What is the uses of collenchyma tissue? What is the uses of collenchyma tissue? This type of tissue give mechanical strength to the plant body. Collenchyma tissue gives mechanical support or mechanical strength to the plant body. Okay. And then this collenchyma tissue gives elasticity and flexibility. Elasticity and then flexibility to the leaf and then stem. This type of tissue gives elasticity and flexibility to the gives collenchyma tissue. Collenchyma tissue. See, for example, see this plant. For example, I took a type of plant. See this plant. I can bend this leaf. See, I can bend this leaf and then stem. I can, see, listen, I can bend this leaf. Yes or no? And then bend the stem easily. How it is happen? Because what type of tissue is present here? Because here presence of collenchyma tissue. What type of tissue is present here? Collenchyma tissue. Where it is present? Leaves all over the plant body. Why the leaves and stems are easily bent? Because of collenchyma tissue. Because of presence of collenchyma tissue. Okay. Okay, students. You understand this topic? Today you have learnt about ground tissue and their types of parenchyma tissue and then Chlorenchyma, Parenchyma. Chlorenchyma, Parenchyma is a type of Parenchyma. Okay. Now learned about Parenchyma, Chlorenchyma, Parenchyma, and then Chlorenchyma. Sorry, Collenchyma. Okay. I hope you have understand this topic. Thank you.